We'll begin by creating each individual part. To build the main shapes, we'll use extruded boss. Whenever we need to remove material, we'll use extruded cut. To smooth sharp edges, we'll apply fillet, and if we want beveled edges, we'll use chamfer. For holes, we'll use the hole wizard. And when a feature repeats several times, we'll save time with linear pattern or circular pattern. Once all the parts are finished, we'll move on to the assembly. We'll insert every component into a new assembly and connect them using different mate functions, such as coincident, concentric, and distance mates, to position everything correctly. For the rotating joints, we'll use limit angle mates, so that each servo can only rotate within its intended range of motion, just like a real robotic arm. After completing the assembly, we'll verify that everything works properly using interference detection to make sure no parts overlap during movement. Finally, we'll create an animation and motion simulation using motion study. We'll define the movement of each joint with rotary motors and keyframes, allowing the robotic arm to move smoothly and realistically. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have designed, assembled, and animated a fully functional 4 degrees of freedom robotic arm while learning many of the essential SolidWorks tools used in real mechanical design projects. You'll find the complete project files and the full step-by-step video tutorial in the description below. Just follow along, and you'll be able to recreate the entire project yourself. Thanks for watching, and let's get started.